In this video, I'll explain how to find the domain, x-intercepts, the coordinates of any holes on the graph, and the vertical asymptotes. So let's take a look at our first example, and we'll start by finding the domain. Set the denominator equal to 0 and solve that appropriately. So -4 represents a break in the domain, and it will either be a vertical asymptote or a hole in the graph. So let's find the x-intercept. Set the numerator equal to 0 and solve it. Always double check the x-intercept with the domain. If you excluded a value from the domain that you think is an x-intercept, then it is not an x-intercept. In this case, x equals 0 was not excluded from the domain, and it is the x-intercept. To find holes, start by simplifying the function. This function is already simplified, so evaluate the function with x equals -4. You wind up dividing by 0, which means that x equals -4 is not a hole, and it is going to be a vertical asymptote. Remember, to help distinguish between the x-intercepts and the holes, you always want to write them as points, and you want to write all the asymptotes as equations of lines.